Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm gonna show you how to make easy Jhal Muri. Jhal Muri is one of my favorite snacks here in Bangladesh. Take a look at what you need for this special snack. Take a screenshot. So in a nutshell, you need cucumber, coriander leaves, tomatoes, onions, puffed rice, and of course the chanachur. So after chopping up all your ingredients, all you need to do is just enjoy mixing up everything. Ayan, so as you have seen, I added up the special ingredient, the main ingredient, which is the chanachur, and you can find them in Indian stores that are maybe nearby your house, and add your puffed rice. Of course, if this is your first time to be in this channel, please don't forget to subscribe and support this channel. Thank you. So, haluin nyo lang ng haluin lahat ng mga ingredients na nakalista sa ating listahan ng ingredients kanina. Ayan. So, chanachur is usually made of a lot of spices. So, for me, I like adding more puffed rice, and then we have to add or drizzle some mustard oil na usually available sa mga Indian stores. And as I have said a while ago, if this is your first time to be in this channel, please don't forget to subscribe to this channel, support this channel, and like this video. Thank you. So continue mixing up everything. And if you feel like you need more salt, you can add up more salt and continue mixing everything. And once done, you can serve them to your family. You can add more tomatoes if you want. Of course, thank you so much for watching this video, and please remember that we can't do anything without leaning on Jesus. Bye and God bless you.